Well, I think today's been a fantastic opportunity to bring all the agencies and the RSLs and the Vale Council together under one roof to discuss and have some presentations about all the work that they're all doing independently, but also then to actually bring everything together and work in the future in that way as well.
I think it's certainly brought some new ideas to the forefront and given a chance for the council to work with the private sector especially, because funds are tight obviously in the public sector, so I can see a lot of private schemes coming into the Vale of Glamorgan to help our housing needs, and I really look forward to seeing the fruits of this day.
This day is all about bringing partners together to discuss key housing issues. Hopefully from today what will fall out of it is a real clear sense of our strategic objectives in terms of housing across all tenure in the Vale of Glamorgan. We're considering issues such as homelessness, which is very important, and our future approach to homelessness in terms of more of a solutions approach. We've brought in our registered social landlord partners to raise their profile in the Vale, because they add so much more than just the actual bricks and mortar within the Vale in terms of jobs and training and supporting communities with which they work. We're also considering things such as market housing and how affordable housing delivery and market housing delivery can come together so that we make sure that in terms of housing supply we meet all housing needs across the Vale.
I've just been to a workshop on gypsy and traveller issues, and I learned a hell of a lot, and that's going to really help now when we start debating issues like that going forward.
This event today was in order to inform the local housing strategy. It's so we can get all the views of our partners. We recognise it's really important to engage with all our partners and stakeholders early on. So we've got the housing associations here, we've got the service providers that provide housing related support and advice services. We've been really lucky, lots of councillors have attended, so it's a really good opportunity for us to spread the message about housing, how important it is, and try and come up with the priorities for the Vale, what we're going to develop in the future, but also think about all the challenges we're going to have, what the barriers we're going to face and how we can overcome them.
I think the great thing about events like this is that it brings people together across the whole sort of housing sector. You know, it's great to see the local authority here, but housing associations, private sector, because at the end of the day we're all interested in the same thing, and that's making sure people have got decent homes to live in.